I can't do it anymore.
This is nice. I might not want to go to a theater anywhere else.
Yeah.
This is a barge. Guys,
Yeah.
are we moving?
No, I hope not.
Wow.
Ayo.
So Zane, who's home this morning?
Daddy.
Yeah, he came home, didn't he?
You're not gonna be home tomorrow.
He'll be home tomorrow. He's home today. He's home tomorrow. Aspen's got the bench open and he's got all his pretend
I'm
toys
gonna
out
go
today.
All other animals. It's a shame, really. Just about every day, she'll see something that makes her yell, ah!
I'm gonna play with them today.
We've been studying magnets, and what are we going to go try to find out?
See if they hook up to our fridge.
Yeah, because the refrigerator has what?
We're gonna try both fridge because
It has
they
a
have
magnet. Yeah, good job. It has a magnet on the inside of the door. So we're going to open up our refrigerator, and you're going to stick it right here. Right here. This is where it should have a magnet. Do they stick? They do. It's a magnet. How cool is that?
They can slide.
Yeah. And that's what, we're not going to shut it with those on there. That's what holds the door shut,
Can I
isn't
play
it?
with them?
Yes, you can. You have to sit at the table with them though, and bring them to me when you're done. The process needs to be refined. Process. All right, you guys, I did not get to show you this last night, but Matt brought this home when he got home, and he picked up this little water globe from St. Louis. It's got the arch. I think that's so cool, and he said he wants to start a new tradition. Isn't that cool? What did Daddy make for breakfast?
Eggs.
Made scramblers.
There's more up there.
He's home, you guys. He's back.
There it is? Yay.
So we're sharing, huh?
You probably don't want to try mine. Mine don't have much in it.
What?
No seasoning in there, no bacon, nothing.
Why?
I didn't need any.
Oh. Today, we are doing follow the leader for PE today. So I get to start to be the leader, and then you each can have a turn to be the leader, right?
I want to be the leader.
Follow the leader. So the leader says, lift up your right leg and hop. Hop, 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 hop. Lift up your left leg and hop, 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 hop. Touch your nose while you do it. Touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose.
I can't do it.
All right, Ireland gets to be the leader this time. Oh. Well then.
What happened?
How did that pop off?
You guys shook the house apart.
Okay. Ireland's lead. Okay, well the rubber stopper needs replaced. Leader, what's your turn? What do you say?
Everybody touch your head, rub your belly, and hop on one leg. And switch every leg. It's hard for
Zane,
me.
tell everybody. What do we do?
Alrighty. Do 50 push-ups.
50. Oh no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
With one hand.
7.
Never mind. I can do it. 1.
That was not 50.
8.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Hey.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I can't do it anymore.
Stop.
Aspen, you get to be leader. All right, pick something.
Alright. Hop on one leg, switch it up, and touch your eyeball.
Okay.
Sit close. 79 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's actually be
Is that it? Okay, so we stopped our science lesson to do our PE because we've been learning about muscles, and I thought that was a good way to talk about muscles. We were talking about building muscles, exercising our muscles, right?
Yeah.
So we got to work our muscles a little bit. Like
I don't have muscles, I have muscles.
all right, so let's look at what are muscles, guys. What are muscles? So we are trying out a new theater. Well,
It chapter 2. No, we're not.
no, we're not going there.
T would be. Oh my god.
She'd be so mad at us.
She'd be so
Anyway, we're trying out a new theater but it's not really a new theater. It used to be Mindframe, and now it's finished.
Look how many It chapter 2. 1, 2, 3.
There's our movie.
There it is. Angel Has Fallen. Oh, 255.
Yeah, we're going to see Angel Has Fallen because we saw what?
Olympus and
London.
London.
But I think we went to the theater for
Olympus.
I can't remember.
The second one.
Whichever the second one was, we saw, and we didn't realize there was a first one.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're gonna try this out because they're supposed to have heated reclining seats.
Then we're finding out I'm back on the road. And it's stressful, and we needed this.
We need a date.
A day date.
Yeah, our high schoolers are being really good about it because they are. Oh, it's the end.
Oh, you want to wait a minute?
Yeah. So our high
Well,
schoolers.
you ain't gonna see nothing.
Our high schoolers are being really good about it though, and they decided to do their high school this evening so we could go on a day date together.
Yes, because when I am on the road, it is stressful.
You guys, it's a love seat. It's like a leather reclining love seat. Matt's trying to figure it out. Yeah, they're supposed to all recline. You just got to figure out how. Okay. So this is nice, like. Matt's using the power recliner. This is nice. I might not want to go to a theater anywhere else.
Yeah.
And their snack packs were really cheap and stuff too. You get a large soda.
$5 to come to the movie.
Yeah, $5 for the movie,
Yeah,
and
I
then
don't know if I could stay awake.
better stay awake. It's a good thing we're going to an action movie, you guys.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Like.
Oh, I've got the heat on, and my lower back has been sore, and it's like right on my lower back.
I don't feel any heat on. I don't know if I got mine on or off.
We're just sitting here
This
chilling
is
out
a
till the
really
movie
good
starts.
idea though for after a trip because my butt was hurting.
Nice, huh?
That's pretty nice. This is where we need to come see it.
Yeah. We decided to get out and take some of the kids for a ride that wanted to go. And look at you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Those are the cliffs of Dubuque.
And I used to do this, well actually me and Christi did this almost nightly when we lived in Dubuque.
We're at Lock and Dam number 11. Look, it's opening up down there, you guys.
He's carrying like gasoline or...
Where?
And this is the barge up close. And there he is, up there pushing it.
It's gonna go through.
Everybody stay back. The people have to stay back before that thing goes.
We're on it.
I'm gonna get on it.
What?
I see it moving.
Yeah.
Wait, that's the barge?
Yeah, that's the barge. He's carrying some type of liquid. I don't see like flammable things, so I don't know what he's carrying.
We're gonna... Wait, guys. This is a barge. Guys.
Yeah.
Wait, guys. This was like a tunnel or something. Dad,
Look, it came up higher.
Daddy, when the barge is done, you're gonna see a lot of water, okay?
The best part happens on the other side of the gate.
What's that?
Moving?
The best part happens on the other side of the gate.
Yeah?
Are we moving?
No, I hope not.
Like
How long is it going to take you guys to get up to Guttenberg now? Up to Lock 10?
Let's see. It depends on delay, really. We've had delay in some of these slides. We've sat there a couple hours.
What's your name?
Daniel?
Daniel? My name still? Ah!
Originally Texas.
Why is there so much
How
bucket?
far are you coming up?
We're going all the way to Winona.
Winona.
Safe travel.
Thank you.
We're getting a little bit of lightning tonight, you guys. I know north of us they had some pretty nasty storms, and Matt said we're getting quite the lightning show. Look at that. Woo. I know they said around 11 o'clock we might get some storms here too. Oh yeah, you can see the low-lying clouds. Well, I don't know if you guys
I
can
think
see them.
the 90% chance of that one though.
Ooh.
Humid.
So we'll see. We'll see if it comes this way.
I think it just left Guttenberg.
Alright, you guys, we are getting tons of rain, lots and lots of lightning here. You can hear that rain just coming down. It is just pouring. I know they said we're supposed to get more weather again around 2. Yeah, it is just continuous lightning. All of a sudden I could just hear that thunder. I could just hear it pouring down. And this house is pretty quiet, like pretty soundproof, so. Wow. It is storming outside. I know it just ripped through Guttenberg earlier. They have a ton of trees down. There were power lines over the highway. Ooh. Okay, I brought you guys up front. Look at that. Look at that storm moving in. And it is not even, like the worst of it's not even here yet. Wow. Those clouds are really moving.
That's why it's coming to hit us so fast.
Wow. You can see it a lot better up here. Looks like a lot of the rain has stopped though. I don't know, it's hard to tell. No, well, yeah, I think a lot of the rain stopped. A ton of lightning. I think we're supposed to get more rain and more storms in like an hour or 2.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's moving kind of fast.
Heavy precipitation has been detected in your area.
Yes, yes, I believe that. Oh, look at the, I don't know if you guys can see how fast those clouds are moving. What a show. Oh, listen to that thunder. I don't know if you can hear it. It is just rolling. told you this house is pretty soundproof though, you guys. Once you have the doors closed, it's pretty quiet. That's why it's hard to hear the storm sometimes when you're sleeping. Are we under any sort of warning?
Would you like me to look?
Yeah, because those clouds are... So our satellite is out. So we're not getting local TV right now.
Well, it came back up.
Oh, did it come back up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm going to check and see if there's any warnings out. Cause...
Special weather statement to Duke.
Okay, what do you got?
More areas until
We had the
1 a.m.
light off so I could show you guys what's going on. What's it say?
At 12 a.m. DT radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located. Locations
Along a line extending
from near
Wingle, Lost Nation. Wind gusts of 50 to 55 miles an hour are possible. Locations impacted include Iowa City, Dubuque, yep, that's us. Maquoketa, Galena, Tipton, West Branch. Wow, okay.
frequent cloud to ground lightning. Lightning can strike 10 miles away.
Okay. So let's see. Severe thunderstorm warning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest level, lowest floor. Yeah, so you can see we're right here, like literally, that's right where we are, right on the... Cedar County, it looks like they're getting hit too. Severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Cedar, Dubuque, so yeah, us.